What's going on, everybody? It's Haze Carlson coming back at you over here at Floyd's RV in beautiful Norman, Oklahoma. And today the weather's perfect out here, man. It's like 72, little slight breeze, not a cloud in the sky. It's gorgeous. Perfect day to go camping with the family. And whenever you guys go camping with the family, you're gonna need a place to sleep them. So today we are going to be talking about the Starcraft Super LITE 311BH. 311BH, and this does have the thermal package weather shield, so they understand we want to take it out during the winter months. They thought of this whenever they designed this thing. It's packed full of some really cool features, and I'm excited to tell you guys about it. So let's get to it. A couple of outlets over here up front, of course. Nice big awning with the LED strip. We do have the lend-a-hand handy dandy handle and our solid steps. Now guys, in these windows, you'll notice that it has these little slots here. Those are weep holes. So if there's any moisture that condensates onto the window, it needs a place to go, because these campers' biggest enemy is water. So what these weep holes do is allow that moisture somewhere to go to not damage the camper. So here is our outdoor kitchen. Now in our outdoor kitchen, we're gonna have this 2-burner gas stove that we can turn on and off with this guy right here. And then whenever we are driving, we can lock it back in place so it's not gonna go anywhere. And then we do have a nice little mini fridge that still has the tape on it, so I can't open it. There we go. All right. Nice little mini fridge here. You guys know I love the good magnet doors that hold this thing up in place. We'll lock this guy back up. All right, moving right along. We do have the ladder to get up onto the roof. They're nice enough to give us a spare tire. And guys, this is our docking station. I do like that they put everything back here in the back all at one convenient spot. Now over here you can see whenever this is down, this is our city water connection, and we can turn it back up this way to do our tank fill. Now this is going to be our tank flush right here. This is where we're going to connect our water to either do tank fill or city water connection. And then this right here is our coax or satellite connection. And then of course we have the outdoor shower with the quick connect water hose. So back here we're going to be able to have hot and cold. Now if you'll notice, one thing I neglected to talk about in our outdoor kitchen, over here we are also going to have a spray port with that same style of quick connection. Now the difference between the two, this one, whenever we connect, if there is not a handle on the end of it, it is going to immediately spray out. Whereas over here, we're going to have hot and cold. The other is just going to be the one temperature. So hot and cold on this side, one temperature over on the other. A nice spare tire, a good bumper to store our sewer hose. Now guys, look at these big old slides on this thing. So this is a bunkhouse model. That's what this slide right here is for. And then over here is going to be our amp connection. Now guys, this is a 50 amp service unit. 50 amps worth of service there. Moving right along, we're gonna have our gray and black tank handles right there. So we do have the gray over there and the black over here. And then this is going to be our pass-through storage. Now we do have our 50 amp service Furrion cord here. That way we get all of our power. We do have a nice light that is in our pass-through storage. And then we do have these, which is going to turn those lights on and off. Now over this way, we do have the electronic tongue jack where we can turn the light on and off here to see whenever we are hooking up. And then we have the retract and extend. 2 20-pound propane tanks, and this is where our batteries will go as well. Here's the other end of our pass-through storage. Here's that light I was talking about. Now guys, we are already pre-wired and everything for a portable solar charging kit. So we are pre-wired for Furrion products. So with this little guy right here, we can plug in our solar charger and get a nice charge. Now guys, this is Wi-Fi and LTE ready. We just have to add a couple of add-ons and then we are good to go. Now one thing that I really like over here is the magnetic door. So whenever the door is open, we'll get that magnet right there, making sure it's not going to go anywhere unless we really want it to. And we do have the bug door, which is always nice, and our solid steps with the Linda hand handle, and in we go. All right. Hopefully you guys can hear me a little bit better. We are right off of I-35, so I apologize for all of the noise outside, but I got to show this to you guys. Got to bring some good content to the channel, right? All right, let's look around. Tell me what you guys think. Drop me a comment down below and let me know what you think of this floor plan and of all of the layout. All right, let's talk about what everybody wants to talk about. This is our big old bunk room. Big time. A twin size bed here. Same thing up top. Now guys, these are going to have a 300-pound max capacity. Now, one thing that I do like about these bunks is that we have this cabinet here, and if you'll notice, we have that hole cut out, so we can put things like an iPad or a phone, or if you guys had a CPAP machine that we needed to sleep with, anything like that, we can put it in here and have a place for it. Now, underneath this slide, we are going to have some storage, and then this ladder to get up to the second level. Now we do have our skylight here, and then over on the other side we're gonna have another twin size bed, and then our 4-booth dinette that does these legs knockout. We can make another sleeping space there, and then we have these nice dressers. We can put all kinds of stuff in here. All right, now this little black box is going to be our fuse and breaker panel. Moving right along into the kitchen. Now in this kitchen, we're going to have a nice Norcold gas and electric refrigerator and freezer combo. Plenty of space in there. And we do have this nice High Point residential style microwave with the fan to go right underneath it. So if you guys want to play Chef Boyardee and try not to burn the trailer down, this can get all of that smoke and fumes out. So with these countertops, which I gotta say, I really do like this material in the way that this is laid out. On our sink, we do have these two covers that do come off to show our nice stainless steel sink and our nice big high-rise gooseneck faucet with the chef's nozzle that we can turn into sprayers, a couple of different spray modes. Cool stuff. All right. Now with our stove here, this is a 3-burner gas stove made by Furrion. And now the cool part about this guy is this is a high output stove. So these 2 burners are going to be your regular burners, whereas this one here is a high altitude burner. So whenever you are at higher altitudes, you're gonna have a richer air fuel mixture, making sure that that flame isn't gonna putter out on you. Plenty of storage underneath the sink, as well as some drawers here. These are full extension ball bearing drawers, so they're nice and smooth. All right, and then up above we are going to have some more cabinet space. Good stuff. All right, let's talk about this U-shaped dinette, guys. I really love the U-shaped dinette because me being 6'5", whoo, I was getting on it out there, man. With me being 6'5", I can comfortably get on one of these and lay down and not have to worry about it. So, really, really like the U-shaped dinette. Now, this guy is a pull-out couch, so we can take these off and then raise this guy up and pull this whole thing out, giving us another big sleeping space. And this does come with this nice Connex TV, and underneath that we are going to have some more storage, so we can put your DVDs and video games and things like that. Now right over here, right whenever you walk in, we do have a nice big pantry. Big old pantry, gotta love that. Each one of those shelves will hold up to 50 pounds. And then going in this way, this is our restroom. I am a fan of the corner half dome shower style. I really like that. And I do enjoy the fact that they give you this little rubber grommet here to where you can keep it closed in transportation and not have to worry about that kind of thing. Good stuff here. And we can put that bad boy back on. And then this sink right here is very nice with our 2 GFC eye outlets and our light switches over here. Now in the mirror, you got me, and then right behind that we have a nice medicine cabinet. And then we do have the foot flush commode with more storage underneath the sink. Now let's move on to the master bedroom. Now in the master bedroom, we are going to have some more AC ducts. This is a television bracket location, so we can use our coax cable here and plug it in here to these outlets. And now in our master bedroom, we can lift up this bed that is going to show some storage over here with our hose, and then the top of our drawers that have our manual override stick there. Now on the top, you'll notice that we've got plenty of space. Good size storage over here. And then we do have some more drawers, as well as 2 more 3-prong outlets over there too, guys. And then like I said earlier, here are those 2 drawers on that side of the bed. Now one thing that I think is really cool is this little cube. And I know you're asking, what in the world is that? So this gives us a very convenient spot to get to our pass-through storage. So if you have something down there that you want to grab, maybe if you guys put some waters or a cooler down there that you don't want to get up and go get a drink because it's in the middle of the night and you're thirsty, we can just reach down and grab a water and bing, bang, boom, we're good to go. All right. Well guys, I really want to know what you think about this thing. I'm always curious as to what my viewers have to think about all of these different trailers that we go in and out of. Give me some feedback down in the comments. Let me know what you think about this thing. What do you like? What do you not like? If you have any tips or tricks for me, I'm always open to some constructive criticism. And guys, if you could see yourself camping in this bad boy, let me know. I'm gonna have my phone number, my email address, my Facebook page, a link to my inventory website, as well as a link to the website where we can get to know all about this and the other floor plans that Starcraft has to offer. But guys, just like that, I'm gonna get out of here. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video, and I will catch you on the next one. See you later.